Hello, welcome to Salt and Light Canning. I'm Jessica. This is my kitchen. I'm so happy that you're here, and I am so excited for the holidays, and Thanksgiving is coming up, and Christmas is coming up, and this is my most favorite time of year. I absolutely love it, and all the family getting together and just being so thankful to God for what He's done. I'm so excited. But anyways, today I am making pumpkin butter. And no, this is not an approved recipe, so if that is not your cup of tea, please, just don't watch it, okay? But be nice to me, okay? This is my cup of tea. So, anyways, I'm going to start out with some pumpkin puree. Yes, you can use actual pumpkin. Get all of this in my roasting pan. This is an Amish recipe, but if you're not comfortable following it, then just don't. That's okay. Please do what makes you happy and comfortable in your kitchen. So anyways, start out with pumpkin puree. Have all my pumpkin puree in my roaster. I'm going to turn it on to about 300 just to get it going, because I want to get it all heated up and start to cook. Now I'm going to add some cinnamon. I'm going to do 6 tablespoons of cinnamon. I'm going to add some nutmeg. Do 4 teaspoons of nutmeg. I'm going to add some clove. I'll do 3 teaspoons of clove. And then I'm going to add some ginger. We'll do 4 teaspoons of ginger. And then with vanilla, I'm going to just measure with my heart. All right, I'm going to get this mixed up and clean up my mess. I'll be back in just a few minutes when I'm adding some sugar and molasses and some lemon juice. All right, I'm going to add, and this is about 8 cups of sugar. I have 1.5 cups of lemon juice. And I have 1 cup of molasses. I'm going to get this all mixed up and just let it cook for a little bit. I'll be back when I'm putting it in jars. Well, I'm just having fun filming this part. It's been great. But my pumpkin butter has been cooking for a couple of hours. And it is delicious. And Hannah and I were talking about eating it like on a graham cracker, maybe with some cream cheese. It tastes very much like pumpkin pie, and it's just delicious. And as I said at the beginning of this video, this is not an approved recipe. It's an Amish recipe, so please follow at your own discretion. I will be canning my pumpkin butter. If you don't choose to can your pumpkin butter, that's fine. You can freeze it or, make a small batch and put it in the fridge. But anyways, let me get a flat and a ring and just 2 finger tight. And we'll fill our next jar. My pressure canner is full. This is a 23-quart Presto pressure canner. I love it. You can double stack pints and it's just wonderful and I love it. So I'm going to get my lid on. I have 3 quarts of water and a splash of vinegar and a rack on the bottom and a rack separating my jars. I'm going to turn this on And it's about between medium and high. I never cook anything on high. I just don't. If you do, more power to you. I just don't. I'm gonna bring this up to pressure. Well, first I'm gonna bring it up to temperature and let it vent. It's gonna vent out of this vent hole for 10 minutes. Then I will put my weight on and bring it up to pressure. I need to can at 15 pounds of pressure for my altitude. And then I'm going to process my pumpkin butter for 30 minutes. And I'll be back when I'm taking them out. So I've had some technical issues with the gauge right here in my canner. So I'm going to switch with the other gauge. But anyways, processed at 15 pounds of pressure for 30 minutes. And then I turned everything off and let everything come down from pressure on its own. And now it's time to take them out. And I have one where the lid just completely came off, so I'm going to deal with that. When you're taking things out of your canner, make sure you're grabbing by the glass and not by the lid. I hope this blessed you. I hope it encouraged you. Don't be afraid to try canning. I say that every time, but don't be afraid to try. Don't live in fear in your kitchen, okay? Be so blessed. Know that you're loved and be a blessing to someone else. I'll see you in the next video.